Question ID 7. Choose the option to fill in the blank that will make the following statement logically correct. What we have to choose? We have to choose the option to fill in the blank that will make the following statement logically correct. It will make the following statement logically correct. The number of occurrence of the letter N in this sentence is correctly counted. How many letter N is there in this sentence? Option is 6, 7, 8, 9. So firstly we have to know what is sentence. Sentence is firstly we have to know where the sentence starts and where it ends. Sentence starts from here and it's at the full stop here. So before solving this, firstly we have to know some basics of this type of question, and then we will try to solve. Autological or homological words. Autological or homological words. What are those? Autological or homological words describe themselves. The word autological or homological words or sentence are those words are those who will describe themselves. That is called autological or homological. The sentence is a self-referential letter count puzzle, and the sentence they have given, this sentence is self-referential letter count puzzle because it will describe themselves. Count N in the base sentence. First what we will do? Firstly we will count firstly we will do what? Firstly we will count N in the base sentence. Examine each word segment in. The number of occurrence of the letter N in this sentence is correctly counted. How many letter N is there in this sentence? This is sentence which is starting from here and ends here before till full stop. So if you see the number, the don't have N, there no N, number has one N, of has no N, occurrence have one N has one N, N has one N, occurrence has one N, occurrence of no N, the no N, later no N has one N, in this no N, in here in it has one N, this no N, sentence has one N, two N, here and here two N, is no N, correctly no N, counted has one N, as no N, and fill in the blanks. Remaining are filled. All other words have no N. All other word, whatever word is there, has no N. So summing these gives, if you sum all of these, what you will get? 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 N's are there. So occurrence of N so far, how many? 7 N's are there. Second. Now second what we will do? We will try to fill the blank with the help of options. So first is 6. First option is 6. If you fill 6, the word 6 has 0 N. Word 6 has no N. So total will remain 7 plus 0, is still 7. But the statement would assert 6. But statement, when you will fill 6, then that statement will become that totally counted as 6. But which does not make this 7. Actually it is 7, but when you will fill 6, it will say correctly counted as 6. That is also correct. Incorrect. If we fill 7, the word 7 has 1 N. If you fill 7, then what will happen? The word 7 has 1 S. So total will become 7 plus 1 is 8. So if you are filling 7 and correctly counted the total N, it means also it is not defining the properly, that sentence properly. But the statement would assert 7, which is wrong. That is also wrong. If we fill 8 has 0 N, so total 7 is still. But the statement would assert 8, which is wrong. The statement will say 8, but you are filling, statement is saying 8, but you have total 7 N's. So that is also incorrect. If you fill 9, then 9 has 2 N, so total will become 7 plus 2, 9. And then statement will assert 9. Statement is saying 9 and you have total 9 N. So that will be the correct. Only with 9 do we get 9 total N's. Only with 9, what will happen? We will get 9 total N's. Matching the word 9. Thus the sentence become true. It indeed contain 9 n's when 9 is inserted. When you will insert 9 in that sentence, it will become 9. Totally counted as 9 because 2 n's are here and here. These are 2 n's. The blank must be filled with 9. The blank should be filled with 9 because that makes the spell out count equal to the actual count of n in the full sentence, that is 9. The blank must be filled with 9 because that makes the spell out count equal to the actual count of n in the full sentence. Actual count is n and 9. Okay, so 9 is the answer. That means option 4 is the correct answer. That's it.